Hi everyone, welcome to our video tutorial. This video will guide you through installing and configuring the Ringover app in BoldDesk. I will also show you how to configure webhooks in Ringover, map Ringover IVR phone numbers, and manage phone calls from BoldDesk. Ringover is a cloud-based communication platform solution offering businesses a suite of tools, including VoIP phone services, call center management, SMS, and collaboration features. Its features, such as call routing, recording, and CRM integration, streamline communication and improve efficiency. Integrating the Ringover app with BoldDesk streamlines call management processes, enabling users to easily make and receive calls, as well as track and manage call history in real time as tickets. Key features include: agents can initiate and receive calls directly within BoldDesk. Assign Ringover IVR numbers to prioritize different categories. Track real-time call history based on the agent's phone number. Automatic creation of tickets or activities for all call types. Agents can forward calls to the appropriate department seamlessly. Enable conference calls to connect multiple agents with customers. Next, let me show you how to install and configure the Ringover app in BoldDesk. First, I log into my BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator and navigate to the admin module. Then, I open the marketplace page. Here, I search for and select the Ringover app. Next, click the Install button to open the Ringover app configuration page. I enter the Ringover API key and BoldDesk API key. To learn how to generate API keys in BoldDesk and Ringover, follow the links here. Click Next to proceed. In the webhook section, copy the webhook URL and its access token generated automatically. These values will be used during the Ringover webhook configuration. I click Next to open the Actions configuration section. Here, I must choose whether to create a ticket or an activity for Ringover call information. For this demo, I select the Ticket option to create tickets for Ringover calls. Click Next to open the Permission configuration section. I can set the Ringover app's visibility to all roles or specific roles. To allow the app's visibility to specific roles only, choose the Specific Roles option. Then, select the preferred roles from the drop-down menu and click Save to complete the configuration. Next, to configure the webhook in the Ringover app, I sign in to my Ringover account and navigate to my profile. I select the Dashboard option and click the Developer module in the left sidebar. Then, choose the Webhook option and click the Activate Webhook option on the Call Event section. To create a missed call or voicemail ticket, enter the Ringover missed call and voicemail webhook URLs to their respective fields. Next, enter the Ringover inbound and outbound webhook URLs in the Call Ended section to create a ticket for an outbound or inbound call. The webhook URL and access token are shown. Replace them with the webhook URL and access token generated in BoldDesk to complete the configuration. Next, I will show you how to map Ringover IVR phone numbers in BoldDesk. To learn how to create an IVR and assign users, follow the link in the description below. I navigate to the Admin module and click the My App section. Then, select the Ringover app and open the app's configuration page. Next, I choose the Manage option and click the Add Ringover Number button to open the Add Contact window. I enter the identification name and choose Ringover Number from the drop-down menu. Next, I select the brand, category, and group to associate with the Ringover number and click Add to complete the process. An icon for the Ringover application will be displayed at the bottom left corner of the agent portal. Now, you can use your Ringover application to make and receive calls directly from BoldDesk. First, let me show you how to make a Ringover phone call. Click the Ringover icon to open the Ringover widget where I must sign in to my Ringover account. I enter email and password and click the Sign In button. Next, I search for the name or enter the desired phone number and click the Call button to make the call. Alternatively, you can initiate a call from the Ticket Details page using the Call option next to the contact's mobile number or from the Contact Details page using the Call button. To view the call history, click the Ringover icon. Then, navigate to the History tab to view the call log history. You can filter the call logs based on your preference. It's important to note that when choosing a BoldDesk configuration, it automatically generates tickets for incoming, outgoing, voicemail, and missed calls. And that's it. Let me summarize. I showed how to install and configure the Ringover app in BoldDesk, as well as configure a webhook in the Ringover app, map Ringover IVR phone numbers, and manage Ringover phone calls in BoldDesk. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button. Stay tuned to our channel to watch more BoldDesk tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.